Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got 4 different boxes that I'm going to unbox on this video. It's actually from 2 different liquidators. So we've got a Via Trading box and then we've got some 888 lots boxes. So let's see what we find inside. Okay, so this box is from Via Trading. I think I remember what this is. And then these 888 lots boxes are from the individual items section. So my plan is it's usually one box of all the same products, and we usually put those on Hooked on Pickin. So if you haven't been to Hooked on Pickin lately, check it out. There's tons of really good deals that I've been finding from wholesalers and liquidators alike. So yep, oh, this is exactly what I thought it was. Good. We were running a little bit low on these. So these are KN95 masks, and I got a great deal on them. And so you can find them on the store. You can buy them in a 2-pack, a 5-pack, a 10-pack, or this whole box of 30. So really, really nice. All of them are individually sealed. So, you know, if you want those, these are disposable ones. So they're kind of handy if they're the, you know, you want to throw them in your car and things like that and not have to launder them. So we'll be putting more of those on the store. They are available right now. So go to hookedonpickin.com to find those. So that is from Via Trading. Trying to decide the little boxes or the big boxes. Let's start with this big guy first. And like I said, these are from the individual lot section. So everything should be brand new condition. And I'm trying to think, should we price them at the end? Paul is, we can price them at the end, so you know exactly how much we'll be pricing them for on the store. And you know, if you watch this video and it's a year from now, check back. A lot of times if we don't sell an item, we do discount it, but sometimes, most of the time, we just sell out of the items. Okay, so we've got lots of padding in here. I'm gonna get rid of. What are these? Small Craftsmith. So this is cards and envelopes, solid color cards and envelopes, 80 sets of cards and envelopes. So they're individual cards, really cute. So we got a bunch of those.
Some of these might be able to go to Amazon depending.
Yeah, we might be able to put some to Amazon. So different color cards and envelopes, so we can clearly see those. What is this? Is this another card and envelope box? I'm just going to open it and see. 50 count, it says tumblers. Huh. My guess, it's tumblers. That would be my guess. I'm trying to see how to get this box open. Hold on, I think I opened it wrong. Okay. Oh. Just a bunch of party plastic cups. Look at the silver ring around them. So this is a whole box of 50 tumblers cups. Yeah, 50 tumblers. Premium heavyweight plastic. So these are disposable plastic cups. I think these are all... Okay, so these boxes here are all tumblers. So we've got a bunch of sets of those. And then these say tumblers as well, 50 count. But it's a much smaller box, so we better look at these. I have no idea what Paul ordered. It's a mystery to me. So we were going to look and see, can we send some of these to Amazon as well? So, because they are in new condition. Okay, these are the shorter ones. The little short guys. So those are cool. Awesome. All right. So they'll either be on Hooked on Pickin or Amazon. We'll let you know. Watch the end of the video and you'll be able to find out. What are these? Platinum Spark. But this had a lot of different stuff in it. Spark plugs. You bought spark plugs.
I apparently did.
Well, we're ungated in Amazon on automotive, so these are brand new. So we'll scan them, see if we can't get them to sell. We'll watch the end of the video, like I said, so you know whether or not we're putting them on Hooked on Pickin, or we're going to sell them on Amazon. So make sure you stay tuned to the end. I'm going to move this big old box over so we can open these other 2 little ones. So these should be little individual items too. See, it's like Christmas for me too, because Paul orders them, and sometimes I have no idea what he orders. This is a very tightly sealed box, very heavy box. It says I wonder how heavy it says it is. Doesn't say on here, but I don't know. Ooh, these look fun. Okay, so we've got more of these. Little cards and envelope sets. And what are these? Totally You tattoos. Glittery gel pens. You basically get to color on yourselves. Now listen. When you have little kids, you teach them not to color on themselves. And this says ages 6+. Right about the time they stop coloring on themselves. Here, kids, we're going to buy you some pens so you can what? Color on yourself. I guess there could be worse things they could be doing. All right, so we have a bunch of them. Look at that. Tons of little glittery tattoo gel pens. Draw your totally fun designs, let it dry for a few minutes, and enjoy your Totally You tattoo. When you're ready for a new design, simply wash off the old one and start over. And there's even stencils. There's stencils included. That's cool. Those will definitely sell. Anytime we have, I think that's it in the box. Yeah, it's just the tattoo pens and the envelopes and cards. All right, what else is in here? Maybe more of the same, maybe something different. We'll see. Looks like more of the same. All right, so we have cornered the market on these envelope things. I kind of want to just open one of these. I'm going to open one just because they're...
scan one?
Yeah.
Honestly, I cannot remember if I bought them to go on Amazon.
Or
sometimes I find a decent deal.
Yeah. Let's see. So that I don't have to open a brand new package. All right. Yes, these are on Amazon. We probably got them to go on Amazon. Yes. So these are assorted colors. They're selling for $22.55. After fees, we're going to get $19. So Craftsmith blank cards and envelopes, 80 sets, assorted solid colors. So they're just blank, like you can write thank you cards, simply cards, birthday cards, whatever cards.
Decent sales rank, 70,000.
Yep. So this is probably why we got these cards, is we're going to probably put them on Amazon. But stay tuned. We're going to price the other things we're going to put on the store.
Scan everything?
Sure. All right. So this we're going to send to Amazon. This might be like a whole lot of stuff we're sending to Amazon. Let's see. Oh, it doesn't like this barcode. They're kind of faded. I'm trying to find one that's not faded. This was the best one. All right, give me a second. I'm just going to type it in.
That might have to go on Hooked on Pickin.
Yeah, let me see. Now I am typing it in on my Amazon seller app. Okay, they're on there, but they don't have a sales rank. So this was gonna go on Hooked on Pickin. And then let's go to the spark plugs. That way we don't have to come back with a follow-up. Yeah, you were going to sell the spark plugs probably online. These are $17 going online. So we're going to sell those online probably.
Does it have a sales rank?
Yes. 103,000, which is good for automotive.
Yeah,
and
not
then
bad.
These Tumbler Cups, let's see. This one we were going to sell on Hooked on Pickin. They're going for $19 for the taller cups on Amazon, so I think we were probably going to sell them for around 10 probably. And then let's look at the shorter box and see how much, because it's still 50 cups. Both of them are 50 cups. The little silver ring around them. And then we have, these were going for even more. These are going for $27. And these do have a sales rank, so we could potentially send these in. And I may be able to find another listing of the tall ones with a sales rank. But as of right now, I think we're going to do $10 on these. And then these, I don't remember what, do you remember what you...
Probably go $5.
Probably $5 on these tattoo ones. We'll look them up and make sure. But that, I think, is all that's in these. And then, of course, the KN95 masks, you can buy them in 30 packs, 10 packs, 5 packs, 2 packs. So whatever works for you. I also still do have a few of the fabric masks available. And then I'm going to put an order in with my lady who makes masks. So if you're interested in maybe some solid color masks or some polka dot masks, I'll see if I can get some of those from her. But hopefully it's been fun to watch 888 lots and Via Trading boxes unboxed all in one video. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. Hey, if you're interested in great deals, make sure you check out hookedonpickin.com. Right now I've got some fun Minnie Mouse games. Remember the game Trouble? Well, this is basically the mini version of the Trouble game, and we got it for a really, really inexpensive price on hookedonpickin.com, as well as many other things. So check out the store. We've got a bunch of fun new stuff. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, make sure you subscribe. I put a video out every single day for your entertainment, and go ahead and hit that thumbs up button if you love this video.